Now that we have finished posting all of our transactions to our T accounts, we will calculate our ending balances. So we will start with the furniture account. So you calculate the total for each side. So our total debits are $1,000. Our total credits are going to be 0. Take the larger number, subtract the smaller number, so 1,000 minus 0 is 1,000. Place the result on the side containing the larger amount. So our result is a $1,000 debit. Try the same thing with our service revenue account. So add up both sides. Total credits are $3,350. Total debits are going to be 0. Take the larger amount, subtract out the smaller amount, leave it on the side of the larger amount. One more, we're going to do this cash account. So again, add up both sides. Total debits are $36,150. Total credits, $23,850. Take the larger number, subtract out the smaller number, leave it in the column of the larger number. So our cash account has an ending balance of $12,300.